Ish. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to. Mm,
Okay. How are you?
Yeah, fine. How are you?
Good, good, good. Then finally, another offer letter.
Yes,
So,
Mika.
team, give a big congratulations to the Yogesh also. So he's also very happy. Yogesh, thanks for sharing the message also.
Yeah.
So we are eagerly waiting. How was the story? How was the like I'm getting the offer letters and all?
Yeah, my story is kind of different. Like I am working as an ETL support and kind of things. I'm just like transforming my career into Azure data engineering. I'm just enrolled with the course with of no idea what is about the data engineering and all. Just come in there like I'm just learning the what are the tips you have given, and then like started learning first from that certification which you have provided, right? TP900. From there, like I'm just starting with the certification, and then day to day what are the session you have said that, right? I'll be focusing on the learnings, and then moving the what are the project we have learned to the what are the project you have given. This
Mm.
and all I practice a lot, and then
Okay.
mainly I focusing on the PySpark and SQL coding. They'll
Okay.
be asking first round will be like kind of what are the interview you have attended, right? They'll be asking PySpark and SQL is the main focus on this,
Mm.
and then able to crack a lot of interviews. I cracked Deloitte and then EY.
Okay.
Finally, I'll be joining with the EY.
Yeah, Deloitte, right?
Yeah,
Yes. How much percentage also? Okay, 3 plus years, right,
yeah,
Yogesh?
3 plus.
3 plus years. How much percentage?
It's more than 200%. It's
Yes.
my salary is bit low on the. I'll be earning as 4 LPA. From there, I'll be got the offer of 13 LPA.
Yes. This is the kind of a real success story. Yogesh, congratulations.
Yeah,
Because
thank
200
you.
percentage, it is because we are underpaid. One day
Yeah,
we are
yeah,
underpaid. Now the effort. You already told me, right? Nothing was no idea what will happen. What is
yeah,
I
yeah.
want to learn. But that structure is enough to attending and cracking the interview. So these are the real proof they are pushing. I would say you put lot of effort. I think Janvi help you, right?
Yeah,
Building your profile and
profile, building the profile, LinkedIn profile and the resume, which
Mhm.
first I have a draft version, and
Mhm.
then I given to that Janvi, and then I'll be reface the what are the words need to in it, like keywords need to for the ATS tracking. This
Yes.
kind of things I have done it with the help of a Janvi as well.
That is the
And
reason. Like, and this is the real things will be certification. Yogesh, what are the? I think DP seven
yeah,
hundred, DP nine
DP
hundred.
900 and DP 700 have completed, and
Yes.
then Databricks haven't got completed, but I also got the offer from the Databricks side as well.
Try to complete that also,
Yeah,
Yogesh. Try to
I'll be
because
completing.
you will be getting like an in the more exposure in that side. So that is the reason I want to ask these people also try to complete this like a certification because certification playing a vital role. Even 3 years of experience also, if you can able to touch like in 13 LP or something, right,
Yeah,
Yogesh?
yeah,
13
yeah,
LPA, it will be like an others also can able to do.
yeah. Obviously, I'm able to do means yeah, others also able to do, right? Like
Yes.
focus on learning the things like in a structured way. No going here and there and learning something it really doesn't work anything. Just focus on what are the things they will have structure, right? Just focus on this. Just step by step learning process will be good for you. Like if you focus on one day on SQL, another day you'll be jumping to Azure Data Factory and then Databricks. It won't work.
Exactly.
It will be clumsy over there. You're learning. Just
And how
focus on.
many how many interviews also you attended, Yogesh?
Yeah, I have attended six interviews, like six to
Okay.
seven interviews.
Uh-huh.
I got offer first. It's from it's Cognizant. I got an offer, but that's for the kind of third party role. From
Oh.
there, I'm just there and didn't got the offer letter from them.
Mm.
After that, I got the UA offer.
Okay. So at least some rejections also will
Yeah,
be there,
like
right?
a lot of
Obviously.
rejection I faced in the first, if you're going for the tech round, right?
Mm.
Something they'll be asking, we don't know exactly what they are asking on this.
Uh-huh.
Like for example, if the coding round, they'll be asking like SQL
Mm.
and PySpark.
Mm.
Sometimes we will be stuck in between. It obviously happened for the in the first time.
Yes.
And then we need to learn from the failures, and then
Mm.
we need to get up from the our what are the failures we have happened over the past, and then we will be rectifying the errors.
Mm. Yes. So attending the interviews is playing a vital role. So maybe rejections will be there, but definitely it will be
Yeah,
there.
obviously we'll be getting rejection first, but we need to stick on the what are the plans we will be having, and then
Yes.
we need to put some hard works together.
Exactly. And second thing, Prabhu, like we need to apply the once we created these framework, once you created your resume, obviously we need to apply from our end also. Because every day we need to update our profile because 9 a.m. I will tell you in the interview secret actually. Then only the top, our profile will be on the top actually. So that will be attracting like a more leads, more I would say the like a people also to our resume. Even 3+ years also kind of a struggling category. Yogesh also can
Yeah,
understand. But only you completed the certification because fabric is booming in the market. Fabric certification also in the profile. The profile looks really good. That's why they can able to call. And second thing, Yogesh, any kind of a like an how what is the best thing you feel like in cracking the interview level or like an what do you feel actually in the community?
yeah, like if it comes to like I'm coming from a different background, like I don't know any things about the data engineering. Like
Yes.
from the here only I have learned a lot things like what is meant by like data factory things, and then data bricks like PySpark. All the things I have learned from this community only, like
Okay.
especially that PySpark which I have the coding session, like coding question they'll be said like this,
Hmm.
all the questions came from the interview, like what are the interview you have attended it, all the things are
Okay.
came from the like what are the questions you have shared, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
just focus on the things which you have shared like a PySpark or SQL things. Mostly the questions are from there, like what are the notes you have given, right? It comes from there only, like I'll be focusing like it's a structured way, I can say you like don't go
Exactly,
here and there.
Yogesh. That is enough, right, for
Yeah,
attending the preparation. That's
most
what
of the things is more than enough.
more
uh,
than enough. And
yeah,
obviously, slight difference will be there. That we need to be
yeah,
attending the interviews only. We can
yeah,
understand.
sometimes the scenario based question will be different, like based upon the interval they'll be asking some kind of scenario, we need to tackle that scenarios as well.
Exactly. So, Deep, give a big congratulations because Yogesh cracked like in 200%. That is in the 3 years of experience. One more time, give a high energy congratulating from your bottom of your heart because that will attract other opportunity to your life also.
Yeah, thanks team.
So, Yogesh, you also
Yeah,
happy, right?
yeah,
This
I'm
many
very,
people are
yeah, I'm very,
congratulating you.
yeah, with it.
Okay, Yogesh, I just want your help also
Sure,
for
sure,
our as a mentor in the coming interview session.
sure,
Whatever the question, whatever the things you face, and we will be sending a small gratitude from our heart also. I think Tanya will connect with you, and
okay,
you want to join our 1 lakh challenge also.
sure, Devi. Like it's
Okay,
more than
thank,
like it's more than it's a half a letter. It's more than happy for me. Like
thanks,
this is
Yogesh.
under like
Thanks for your words. Actually, that will be motivating us to going forward.
yeah. Thanks, Devi.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Yes.
thanks, team. Prepare well and focus on the things like focus on the Devi's what she is suggesting, right? Just focus on these things.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah,
team.
yeah. Thanks, Devi.